Yeah, hey folks, Pep on the Woods here. Today I'm just out, what I call beating around. No big long hikes, nothing off trail. I'm just seeing what I can see, driving around a few places beside the river, checking out some wildflowers and the river itself. And it's really humid today, and just had a few hours before a front going to come through with a severe thunderstorm, so I'm just out messing around trying to beat them. So, come along with me, see what I see. I've got a couple wildflowers in mind I'm trying to catch. I don't know if they'll be in bloom yet or not, or maybe past blooming. I've kind of been laid up for a couple weeks with a hip problem. Got some shots in it. Don't hurt right now. So I'm out. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting ready to get down beside the river and give it a look. So, I appreciate you. I'm going to put this thing down before I fall and get that on video. Yeah, you guys like that. Anyway, thanks. Yeah, this is a horse crossing, because you can see the other old road coming out off the other side over there. But a lot of pollen still on the water. Maybe this rain we're supposed to get here in a little bit will wash some of it away. Yeah, the wind has really picked up, blowing hard. So I guess those storms are moving closer and closer. I need to make one more stop before they hit, so let's head for it. Okay, I've changed positions here in Big South Fork. I'm down Leatherwood Ford. Take a few pictures, but ran into showers on the way over here, and look at the sky, it's got dark. But I'll try to get what I can. Yeah, the thunder rumbled pretty hard a minute ago, so I'm sure I'm getting close to these storms coming. But I spotted a white azalea that grows down by the river in spots, and I'm gonna see if I can get to them, because that's one of the things I came here for. That worked out well, and I'm glad I got out here today, even at the risk of getting caught in these storms, because those were about played out for the year. If I'd waited another week, I'd have never got any of them. So, heading back. Yeah, the old low water bridge here at Leatherwood Ford will probably never be rebuilt because the Park Service has planked it back several times, and the next big flood just washes it out. Those big logs coming down are just like battering rams, and they just rip the top of it back off. But this thing's historical. I've seen the picture, although I didn't save it, but somebody has a picture actually taken before the Big South Fork took this place over and made it a national river and recreation area. The picture was of a school bus crossing that bridge. And that's, can you imagine? There were people living in these down the river and different places. Wow, that would have been something to see. Okay, as you can tell, the clouds are rolling in, and I'm gonna have to get back to the Subaru and make my way back up the mountain. Yeah, I'm here at the gazebo at Leatherwood Ford, just up from the old low water bridge. And it's about 5:10 in the afternoon, Easter time, and the lights are coming on. I'll give you an idea how dark it's getting from these clouds. Yeah, and at the restroom and just a regular street lights are coming on too. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to my vehicle and head up the mountain. Hey folks, I stopped in out here at East Rim Overlook to look for some mountain laurel blossoms and found them. But the majority of them haven't opened yet, and some of the bushes are plumb full. But anyway, the lightning got to flashing straight overhead, thunder, and the rain came, and winds picked up, so I just had to turn around and hightail it back out there. But like usual, thanks a million for watching. You know, I sure appreciate it. And as long as you guys keep watching, I'll keep making. So this Pepper on the Woods from my car in the pouring rain. See ya. Well, it'll wash the pollen off my car anyway. Let's go home.